Alright, about a week ago, I made a video on this Poland Predator, but I didn't have a chain on it, and I said I would make a new video as soon as I got a chain of me cutting some stuff up. So now I got a chain, and we're going to cut up some of these little logs right here. Alright. Alright. That's it. I need to fix that. Got a little, don't have enough tension in there. But anyway, that's how you do it. It's simple to put a chain on here. I should have made a video on that, but it's too late now. I'm not gonna take everything back off. But these two hex nuts right here, just loosen them and wrap your chain around there. Alright, that's it. Poland Predator. I'm not sure what year this is, but it's been a great saw. It's got a 16-inch bar. I'm not sure how many cc's. Probably 30, 32, something like that, the average. But great saw. I've never had a problem with this thing, other than that my pull rope's about to go out. I'll have to make a video on that, of how to put a new cord in there. But yeah, that's it.